guys, I will be showing you how to glitch Granny. So here, I'm gonna show you how. And this might be going for a 26-second video, or I don't know second video, but I know how to glitch Granny. So if you're playing Granny and don't know how to glitch Granny, please just search a underscore crew. Yes, a underscore, and that tutorial is there. So yeah, throw that vase and wait till Granny comes. Just wait till Granny comes. Just wait, and don't mind the songs behind the background. This is how to glitch Granny. And see, it's glitch done now. So yeah, that's how to glitch Granny.